Yeah, we can read. It's okay, right?
Okay.
That's what I want.
That is about the trend. That is important, I think, because what on this era, of this is era especially, that is and globalization era, it is more important for us because that is able to protect all of ourselves from social problems. Let's begin about the what I mentioned before that. Like this about the disease era, that is the coronavirus era. That is we must implement it. That is the lifestyle of the healthy lifestyle. Thus, we will always keep our body from various diseases because of that exercise will be done by us. In particular, functional fitness. Recently, that trend is imitation from other people who do that on their activities, on their life. Nevertheless, it will increase our condition to be healthy. That's the reason why we have to follow trends on our life, especially the good trend. The second reason that is about the business, I think. It is crucial if we are businessmen. Because what? Exactly. We want our business will be advanced business to take it definitely. We must make some innovations. For instance, technology. Our consumer is smart people. We can select product which trends nowadays. The necessity of there are new innovations which can make easier their activity and left of their as well. Because of this, the follower of trend is more important for our business. In short, I strongly believe that trend is substantial for our life, whatever, wherever and whenever we need, and we are unable to take a loss of trend for our daily life. So that is, in my opinion, I think we must follow the trend that is good trend because of what we can't develop our skill. For example, that is about the breakdown. We have the figure of our life, like the installation and programs. That is, I think they have the follower before he be a president right now. For example, he implements a rule of Muslim or Islam. That is a good rule for their country because what? Because he brings a brand of like the good brand for the Muslim. That is the Turkey. A lot of people life in Turkey that is the Muslim because what that is can give some trends which can like for the society of the participant of their party. On the other hand, like the Mr. Fahmi and Mr. My friend said before that is about the cycling breakdown. That is the important because it has be trend in our country. That is can protections our conditions because we always exercise in our life. That is can increase our spirit on our body and can give a good immune for our life and can prevent coronavirus comes for our side. That is, I think, trend is more important. Depend on ourselves. What we want to implement it. A lot of people, I think, need to or must have who will be figure for their life. That is about the follower. Thank you for that. I think that's my opinion.
Right.
Who is the person that you admire as a trendsetter?
Mayor.
Exactly, I have. That is
Kagumi.
that
Moy.
is,
Moy. Moy.
so I ever first watched as one as never lost our dream. That is, we always follow someone we have kids or we have girlfriends our achievement. So if about it, I think that is depends on what I want to achieve in the future. Right now, I'm prepare for something. I follow someone. Wasn't what I wanted.
So do you feel that learning English is following the trend, or does if we learn English, we follow the trend? Is it positive, or if many people in Aceh or Indonesia, many young people stop playing video games, especially useless video games, and they start to follow the trend that is not so popular. Like learning English is also a trend, but it's not so popular as playing video games. So, how will you give advice to young people?
First of all, English that is a trend right now. As I think in the past, English is important for students, especially in Aceh, because what you know that is a lot of people or a lot of parents have not changed our started to learn about the Arabic, especially because that is the important for our life. That is kids. It's easy to read right now, a lot of the young people have learned about English education because what I think they have big.
What is step, Paul? See you next week.
They have a big dream, big left marks or targeting points in the future. That is, I think, yeah, we can sit on our condition, our error, and that's how I can express young people right now who apply this a lot of times. That is because your opinion that is not useful. Responsibility for parent is look forward their children after their children. So you can give freedom to our children, that is give a chance to relax their brains and to refresh their thinking. Because if they as much as times always learning this or study, that is can start their evolution. So the children need to extravagance, also holidays, also like the games that is trend right now for children. I think the most important to keep them that is give a role for their life. Okay, thank you.
Alright, next question. Alright, one more question for me, alright? Do you following the trend now?
Yes.
Yeah, what kind of trend you following?
Okay. That is about the business, I think. Because what I think a lot of consumers in Indonesia, that is smart consumers. So basically, they never choose ancient products. For example, right now about the phone is the innovation for our legacy. So that is 10 years ago. I guess that is more popular for our activity or our life. But right now, there's a change. Smartphone, other phones. So it is one important business
Alright, thank you. Any question? Alright, pick something else.